Hello, in this video I will explain how to set and change the quality of service profile when working with ROS2Bag files using ROS2 Galactic. Hello, my name is Roberto from The Construct. I will be using the platform from The Construct for learning ROS. So go to theconstructsim.com and create an account there if you want to follow along. I already have created my account, so let me log in, and I have created here a project with the files that you can have too if you follow the link on the description of the video. Just let me tell you that for this example I will be using material that is taught on the live class 107 about Ros2Bag files and live class 138 about quality of service. So if you haven't seen those, go here on the left to workshops and scroll down until you will see the open classes, and you will see here class 138 quality of service. You click there and you will have the ROS project and the video to learn more about quality of service, because I will not go into details here on this video about that. So just let's wait a second until this ROS check loads. All right, so I will be using the IDE. Great. And I will be also needing a web shell. Actually, 3 of them. So by default, when you open the ROS check, you will have a notebook like this with the instructions to follow along. The first I will do is to set 3 environment variables that we need to run the simulation of the Turtlebot 3 robot in Gazebo. So you just paste these 3 commands there on a web shell, and there you execute. When you have that, you can execute this ROS2 launch file for launching the Gazebo simulation. Yes, so here you can see the Gazebo world from above, and there's a Turtlebot robot publishing laser scan data and odometry. The next command I will run here is I will publish to the command velocity topic so that the robot starts moving in a very small circle, just to generate a bit of a to generate data, odometry data, and we will be using that to record the ROS2Bag file. So I will also using this node called QoS _pose _publisher. What it does, it subscribes to the odometry and it publishes a robot pose with a certain quality of service profile. So let's see the quality of service profile that this topic is has. So we run ROS2 topic info. It's publishing on the robot _pose topic, so this will tell us what the quality of service profile is here. Reliability, reliable, and durability, volatile. So that's what this topic is using. So, well, let's go to bag files. To record a bag file, I use the Ros2Bag record command. I'm giving it a name, and I'm telling it what topic, right? In this case, it's the robot_post topic that I want to record. So it will start recording, and it will record until I press the Ctrl+C key combination here on this terminal. So we will it will capture some data. Let's wait a second so we have enough. Okay, now I press Ctrl+C, and let me just show you. There is a folder Ros2Bag QoS_us_published that we just, well, the Ros2Bag just created when we recorded these Ros2Bag file. Now I will play it back, but before I play it back, I will stop the node that was originally publishing the robot pose and run the bag file instead. And I want to see what's the quality of service of this Ros2Bag file, of this topic published by the Ros2Bag. So we use the same command, ros2 topic info, and we pass in the topic name. So we have a QoS profile of reliability reliable and durability volatile. This is the same that was originally published by this node. So now I will show you how to override the quality of service profile for this bag file when during the playback. So we have to create a .yaml file with the configuration of the quality of service that we want to use during the playback. So it has this structure here. You can copy it if you want. I already created this file here. It's this one here, override.yaml. So I don't need to create it, but you can use the IDE and copy and paste this here, save the file. And now I will use a different the same command, but with an option to play back the Ros2Bag file with this profile from the .yaml configuration file. So let's see. Okay, so it's Ros2Bag is running. Let's find a new shell to examine what is the quality of service that is now being published. So now we see that the quality of service profile has a reliability of best effort and a durability of volatile. Why? Well, because here on the .yaml file we set that the reliability to be best effort, right? So originally it was a reliability reliable, and now we have overridden it, and the Ros2Bag file is publishing with reliability of best effort. So that's what I wanted to show you in this video. Let me just stop my notes. Let me show you the courses that the Academy has. So you can go here left courses, and you will see a catalog with the courses that the construct offers, so you can learn robotics in a very simple, easy way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share. See you in the next video.